Hello everyone, hope everyone are doing good. This is Chandana and in today's session we are going to learn about what is lead conversion in Sugar and how to do it through different ways. Firstly, let us understand what is lead. Sugar's leads model consists of individual prospects who may be interested in a product or service your organization provides. Once the lead is qualified according to your organization's practice, it can be converted into a contact, opportunity, or account. Now let us see different ways of converting lead. So let's go to the leads module. In the list view of the leads module itself, we can see if the lead is converted or not. If the status of the lead is mentioned as converted, the lead is already converted. If the status of the lead is in progress or assigned, that means that the lead is yet to be converted. So I'll take a lead which is not yet converted and try to convert it. So when I go into the record view of the lead that needs to be converted, I can see the pill on the top of the screen saying unconverted. This means that the lead has not been converted yet. I'll just click on the pill. When I click on this unconverted pill, it will show me the lead conversion page. As soon as the lead conversion page appears, Sugar usually performs a duplicate check for any existing records in various modules. And then here we need to create an opportunity. Before creating opportunity, I need to add some revenue line items. Instead of me manually adding revenue line items, I can just add from the product catalog in the left hand side. I'll just click on clothing products and then in kidswear, I'll just add some of the products into the revenue line items. As soon as I click on the product, it gets added to the revenue line item. I'll just add one more product. So I have added 3 products to the revenue line items. Here we have sales stage. Sales stage is in prospecting by default and we can change it by scrolling upwards, and I'll just check on this button. I can change the sales stage. I'll change the sales stage to negotiation or review. This means that the customer is ready to take the product but is been bargaining with the price. So as soon as the sales stage changes to negotiation or review, the probability also changed to 80%. So let's see by giving another sales stage. If I give it as qualification, the sales stages qualification, it automatically gets populated to all the 3 revenue line items and the probability has been changed to 20% to all the 3 revenue line items. So I'll change the sales stage to negotiation and review, and then the probability has been changed to 80%. Now I have expected close date. I'll just check this button. I'll add expected close date. When I add expected close date has been changed to all the 3 revenue line items here. Instead of me manually entering the expected close date to each product, when I add the expected close date here, all the revenue line items gets populated with the same expected close date. And then we have quantity. I have the flexibility to change the quantity of products I want. So if I want the first product to be in 5 numbers, I'll change it to 5. If I want the second product to be in 7, I'll change it to 7. So the quantity can be changed according to your choice. And then we have discount amount. If I want to give discount to this product, I can give discount. So I'll just give 5% discount for first product, and the next 2 products, I don't want to give any discounts to the last 2 products. So I'll keep as it is. And we have calculated amount. Calculated amount is nothing but quantity into unit price minus discount amount is calculated amount. Now I'll give this opportunity a opportunity name saying that kids clothing for Wipro, and then I'll click on create opportunity. Now opportunity has been created. Now I need to create contact. When I click on contact, few of the fields gets automatically populated, but I'll change the portal name. I'll make the portal name as Tim and I'll give the password. While giving the password, make sure that you are following the password rules, that the password is involved with capital letters and special characters, and then I will click on create contact. Now the contact has been created. Now a contact, account and opportunity has been created. Now I'll click on save and convert. Now the lead has been converted. We can see that the pill has been changed from unconverted to converted and the status has been changed to converted, and when I scroll down I can see one contact, one account and opportunity with revenue line items has also been created. When I click on contact, I am going to the contacts record view and in the sub panel I can see it has been tagged to the lead. I'll go back to the lead and see the account. When I click on account, an account has been created with Toyota Motor Corporation, and in the sub panel the lead has been tagged to this account. So I'll just go back to the lead and see. I'll click on opportunity and I can see an opportunity has been created for kids clothing for Wipro, and there are 3 revenue line items has also been created. This is the first way of converting lead, and the second way of converting lead is through actions menu. Let's see how to do it. Let's go to leads module, and in the leads module let's go to the lead which is not yet converted. So let's go to the lead which is not converted, and we have unconverted pill, that means that the lead is not yet converted, and we have actions menu. When I click on the actions menu I'll get the convert button. This is the second way of converting lead. When the lead is already converted, we cannot see the convert button in the actions menu. So let's see the difference between the converted lead and unconverted lead. When I go back to the list view and go into the record view of the converted lead, in the actions menu I cannot see the convert button because the lead has already been converted. So now let's try converting lead through actions menu. So I'll go to the record view of the lead which has to be converted. I click on actions menu and I'll click on convert button. Now the lead conversion page appears. Now an account has to be created. I have to give the account name. I'll give it as Microsoft and I'll click on. If I want to make any of the changes, I'll just make few of the changes. Add a service level as tier 2 and industry as biotechnology, and then I'll click on create account. Now the account has been created. Now I need to create opportunity. I'll create opportunity by adding revenue from the product catalog. I'll add some books. I'll give children books. I'll add 2 revenue line items. And I'll scroll up and I'll give the expected close date. As soon as I give the expected close date here, it gets automatically populated with for both the revenue line items. And then I'll add sales stage. I'll add sales stage as prospecting, since the customer is still prospecting and not yet decided, and the probability has been changed to 10%. I'll give the quantity as 2 and 3, and I don't want to give any discount. So now I'll give this opportunity name. I'll give books for Microsoft, and then I'll click on create opportunity. Now I need to create one contact. So if I want to make any changes in this contact, I can make. I'll just make this portal as active and change the portal name. And then I'll change the password also. While giving the password, make sure that you are following the password rules, that is with special characters and alphabets are involved in your password. And now I have created contact account and opportunity. I'll click on save and convert. Now the lead has been converted. We can see the bill has been changed from unconverted to convert, and the status has been changed to converted. This is the second way of lead conversion. The third way of conversion is through subpanel from a related modules subpanel. Now let's convert a lead through accounts subpanel. I'll go to the accounts list view and I'll open the record of one of the account, and I'll go to the subpanel view. I can see the lead here. Now I'll click on the actions button, and here I have the convert button. When I click on the convert button, the lead conversion page appears. As soon as the lead conversion page appears, Sugar automatically performs a duplicate check for any existing records in various modules, and it has found duplicate account. I'll just continue with one of the duplicate account. I'll just click on select account. Account has been created. Now I have to create new opportunity. So I'll just start creating opportunity by adding revenue line items from the product catalog. I'll add some cosmetics. I'll add some face products. I'll add blush and bronzer. Now the revenue line items are directly being populated from the product catalog. I'll add the expected close date by scrolling upwards so that there is no necessity of adding manually twice to two revenue line items. Once I add here, it automatically populates to both of the revenue line items. Then I'll change the sales stage to qualification. It is still in the qualification process. And I'll keep one sales stage as qualification, one as need analysis, and then I'll change the quantity of the products to 6, and I'll keep one quantity of the product as 1. And now we have discount amount. I don't want to give any discount, so we have calculated amount. Now I'll give this opportunity as cosmetics to for which organization we are giving cosmetics for Wipro. I'll give this opportunity name, and then I'll click on create opportunity. Now the opportunity has been created. Now I'll create contact. If I want to make any changes in the contact, I can make. I'll just change the portal name. I'll change the portal name as the contact name itself, and then I'll create password. And then I'll click on create contact. Now the contact, account and opportunity has been created. Now I'll click on save and convert button. Now we have seen 3 different ways of converting, that is through pill, through actions menu and through subpanel. There are other different ways of converting lead. You can convert a lead from the following places in your leads module, that is through record view. Let's go to the leads module. and when I go to the record view of any unconverted lead, I can convert it through the unconverted pill or through the actions menu. That is one option. The second way is through list view. I can just convert lead through list view. That is through select convert on the list view actions menu, and when I click on that, I get a lead conversion page. Here I can start creating contact, account and opportunity. This is the second view, and the third way of converting lead is through tile view. I'll go to the tile view in the leads list view itself, and then in the tile view I'll just drag and drop the lead which I want to convert. So I'll just drag this lead and put it into convert. So I am directed to the lead conversion page. Now here I have to make the changes like create contact, account and opportunity, and then click on save and convert. These are the other different ways of converting lead. Thank you.